guys, welcome back to Millennial Living. On this episode, we're going to do a quick video on recess lighting.
But before I begin, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps us when you do that.
So as many of you know, we have no lighting in the house when we bought it. So we wanted to spice things up, so we went with recess lighting. So what we did is six 6-inch recess cans, and we put a dimmer switch with it so you can have the proper mood.
So this is a wall control that I went with. The reason I like it is nice big switch, and the dimmer is nice and big, so in the nighttime you're not going to have to scramble for it to try to find it. So here's the recess light off, and I'm going to turn it on, and then I'm going to do the dimmer.
So final thing, how much did it cost? For us, it cost us $820 for material and labor. So that gives you an idea how much it's going to cost you. Alright guys, thanks for watching Millennial Living. Before you guys go, do us a favor. Hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and then share this with your family and friends. And as you can see, my living room is empty. So if you guys are able to support us on PayPal or on Patreon, help us fill up this living room.